Hello, this is Bob Scribner from GF Sprague. I'm with one of my customers in Sudbury, and she asked not to be filmed, so we're filming her dog Yuki while we talk to my customer. So how did everything go? We did your shingle roof about 2.5 years ago. How did everything go?
Everything went extremely well. We had a number of problems with ice dams and water leaking into the house, and wound up getting 2 copper pans that were installed along with a rubber pan also. Those problem areas seem to have been completely cleared up. We haven't had any issues with water in the house. I felt like the people that we were dealing with were extremely responsive and very interested in communicating how they were going to be addressing the problem, and I was able to see the whole process and see pictures and find out everything about it that I wanted to. I was very, very pleased.
Are you happy with Tony and Carlos?
Tony, I don't remember Carlos,
Okay.
to tell you the truth. I absolutely remember Tony.
Yep.
He was sensational, another good communicator, and really seemed to know his work, and just really wonderful whenever it came to addressing my concerns and showing how the problem was going to be fixed.
Excellent, thank you.